I'm here. Hey sis, I got tea and I want you to sip. Hey, what's up everyone? It's your girl Deja Shay. If you're new to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're a returner, y'all still bad and these hoes still mad. You know. But let's get into this video. So, as we all know by the title, you can already tell what this video is gonna be about. I'm gonna give you some tea and you finna sip it. And this tea is hot, baby. And I'm finna tell you why it's hot. It's hot because it works. I'm not even lying. I know some girls be like, just wear the waist trainer and boom. No. You gotta put in work. You can't just throw on a waist trainer, wear it, and then you take it off and you think your body just gonna snap into place. No. You ain't a sponge. You got bones, girl. You ain't no sponge. It ain't gonna work like that. But I'm finna tell you how it's gonna work like that. Cause I'm finna tell you how I keep my waist snap back, snatched. Okay, so, I don't care what nobody says. It's not called the freshman 15. It's the freshman 20, 25, 30. So I went to my first year of college in 18. I graduated in 18. I went my first year of college in 18. I went to Clark, Atlanta. I was in Atlanta. I'm from Washington. So I went to Atlanta. You already know it's a different atmosphere, you know, especially the food. You already know the food different. And baby, I knew the food was different. You could tell the food was different because I was eating it. And you could tell by looking at me. But I went, in 2018, I went to Clark. I think I weighed like 160 something. But it was like a good 160. Like I was shapely, like I've always had boobs. I've always had a butt. So it fit me. Like, you know, I was a little slim, thick with a cute head. So yeah, I was a little slim, thick little girl. I mean, I'm still slick. But okay, so yeah, so I went to college. You know, I'm doing my little freshman year. It's summertime now. Freshman year's done. Wow, it's summertime. I don't have a scale. I didn't have a scale when I was in college. I didn't work out when I was in school. I didn't have a scale, so I wasn't keeping track of my weight. I was just basically saying F that and just doing what I do and living my life in Atlanta and eating everything that came to me. So I come home and I don't know, when I get home, like, I don't know, I just be in my element, like, I don't know. But I came home and I looked in the mirror and I said, oh no, I don't like this at all. To me, I was big. People like to be like, people used to always tell me, no, you weren't big. Okay, but to me, because I've seen myself at my smallest and I've also seen myself at my biggest, which I'm gonna tell you, which is my biggest. My smallest was my freshman in high school. Freshman year of high school was my smallest year. And I was about 145, 150. I was 140, 145, around that area. I was getting to 150, but it looked nice. It looked nice on me. And I'm actually 145 now. And I'm gonna tell you how I got myself to 145. But, so I come home, I don't like how I look. So I step on the scale. First mistake. If you're a girl and you're trying to lose weight, please stay away from the scale. The scale will ruin you. But I'm actually glad I stepped on the scale because I let it ruin me. And my motivation spiked. As soon as I seen that number on that scale, I was like, oh no, I've never been this big and I'm not gonna let myself continue to get this big. So I stepped on the scale sis, your girl was almost 200 pounds. Mind you, I went to my freshman year of college, I went to school, I was 160, 165. My weight likes to fluctuate a lot. I was 160 to 165, around that area. I came back home my first year of college and I was almost 200 pounds. But the thing about it is you couldn't really tell, but I could tell. I could tell mainly my waist. My butt was big. Okay, I wasn't complaining about that. But it just, my waist, it was my face. You could tell in my face. You can tell my waist. And I'm actually gonna insert like some clips or videos of what I actually looked like, and you could see the difference. My face was way more, I don't know. You could see the difference, but I could tell. And I feel like once you could tell yourself, that's when your motivation becomes strong. When you want to lose weight because of other people, it doesn't work out as well. I wanted to lose weight for myself because it was the biggest I have ever been, and no. And I could tell, like, all I wanted to do was eat, sleep. I just wanted to lay down. I didn't want to do nothing. I just wanted to do my homework, sleep, and eat. I barely even went out in Atlanta. Like, I just wanted to eat. And I don't know why I wanted to eat. I still like to eat. I don't eat as much. I don't eat as much calories, but your girl likes to eat. But, okay, I'm gonna tell you, and here's the tea. We're getting to the tea. I'm gonna tell you what helped me lose my waist the most. I'm not even gonna, and I will tell you, it wasn't just me wearing the waist trainer. I had other factors as well. I was going to the gym, but I lost all my weight. I'm 145 right now, 144, 145. I lost all my weight, mainly in my waist, with this. I'm gonna showcase it because this, and you can tell I ran this to the ground because this is a J Sculpt band, honey. And you don't see no J nowhere. All you see is, you don't see a J nowhere. I ran this to the ground. And I wore this. I come home and I work at a daycare, so I'm a teacher. So I used to be like with the 2-year-olds. They used to be, 2-year-olds, they active all the time. I used to wear this to work every day. Every day. I promise you, I never took this off. I did, like when I would go to sleep, and sometimes I took it off when I would go to the gym. Because sometimes they say like waist trainers, when you're at the gym, they like restrict you from going in like the full motion of the workout, so you're not getting the full workout. But sometimes I would wear it to the gym, like when I would go to the sauna, I knew I would be going to the sauna afterwards. This right here, yes, this is what you need, honey. And I'm not done. I was trying to be all DIY and put on press on nails, but just flew off. Ugh. Hey baby, wanna get married? But those two, I was drinking, they say put 1 teaspoon of just a bottle cap in a water bottle. No, you ain't gotta listen to that. Well, everybody's body's different, so I'm not gonna tell you not to listen to that, but I didn't listen to that. I put about 2.5, and I drank this every morning. I kid you not. For 3 months straight, I drank a cup of apple cider vinegar diluted in water every morning. And I had to pause to show you that I'm not playing. Look at my face. I'm not playing. I drank this every morning. But that's what I'm saying. My motivation was so high because of myself. Some days I even went to sleep in my waist trainer. And I'm not advising you to do that because it's really dangerous. But I was so dedicated that that's what I did. Literally. You can see how dedicated I was. There's 3 months. 3 months was going by. I was working out at home. I would go to the gym. I think I would go to the gym twice a week. No, I lied. I would go to the gym 3 or 4 times a week. Never 5, 3 or 4. So I would go to the gym 3 or 4 times a week. And I would wear the waist trainer. Out of those 3 or 4 times, I'd probably wear it twice to the gym. But I would wear my waist trainer 24/7, all day, every day. I would go to work in the morning. I'd come home, take off my waist trainer sometimes, go to the gym, and come back, shower. And sometimes I would put my waist trainer back on until I fell asleep. And that's why I said sometimes I would fall asleep in it, because I would put it back on after I got from the gym, and then I would just fall asleep, and I would just fall asleep in it. So, and then I didn't eat. That's what I'm saying. Like, it wasn't just the waist trainer that helped contribute to my weight loss, but that was the main factor that contributed to my waist. And when I show you my waist from before and after, you can be like, I lost inches. I think my waist when I came back was either 34 or 36. I'm not really sure. I really should have wrote down these measurements, but I didn't think I was gonna make a video about it. So I think it was a 34, 36, and now my waist is 28, 30. Like I said, I should have wrote down these measurements. I took these measurements a long time ago, but right now my waist is probably not like that because I had some water and I had breakfast, but it doesn't even matter. It's still small. So, but yeah. And I did not eat after, I think it was 7. I didn't eat after 7. I went to the gym and I drank apple cider vinegar and I wore my waist trainer. Those are the 4 things I did. I went to the gym, I wore my waist trainer 24/7, and I drank apple cider vinegar water every day, and I didn't eat after 7. Oh, and I meal prepped. So that's how I lost that weight that fast in 3 months. And I feel like when you really eat healthy and you really focus on eating healthy, it does not take that long for your waist to get snatched. I wasn't taking any protein supplements in general. I wasn't taking any of that. It was all natural. All I did was meal prep, apple cider vinegar, waist trainer, and not eat after a certain time. That's it. That's all. That's all you need. You don't need Dr. Miami. You don't need Beth BBL Doctor. I mean, if you want a bigger butt. But you don't, no, I'm not encouraging that either. You don't need that. You don't need that. I'm gonna tell you why you don't need that. Because I'm a walking testimony, girl. My waist was not good. Not good at all. And now it is because I put in the work. I know you're tired of people telling you, you're tired of hearing that, but you have to put in the work. That's what anything you want in life, you have to put in work. You have to want it for yourself. You have to want it for yourself. I wanted to lose weight so bad because honestly, I was so disgusted with myself. I've never been that big. And I think that was my breaking point. Even though I was only, at that time, I was only 19, it's still, I couldn't. And I didn't. I didn't let myself stay. And I'm actually pat myself on the back because this is going on year 2 and your girl is still 145. But I'm not gonna say it was a long process because I lost all that weight during summer break, and I came back to school and everyone was like,
damn,
you look good. And I was like, thank you. Seriously, people were like, what'd you do? You look smaller, you look better. And like, I just ate healthy and lost weight. Like, if you could do that, sis, you glow. You glow. You don't need no glow treatment. Sis, you can grow naturally. And that's what I do. Yeah. Okay, so now that this video is coming to an end, and I've been showing, and I showed you guys my tips and tricks. So these are the 4, remember ladies, the 4 things you need to keep in mind that will really snatch your waist. And I'm gonna give you a tip. If you work on snatching your waist, you're gonna work on everything else. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not just gonna snatch your waist and just leave everything else off balance. Like, you know, when I was working out, I mainly wanted to get my waist because I didn't want to lose my butt. Remember I said my butt was I was like, my butt's big, I don't care. So I really was just focusing on my waist. I did lose a little bit of my butt, but that comes with weight loss. You just gotta, now I'm in my toning stage. I did my lost weight stage. Now I'm in my toning stage. This is year 2. So I haven't been working out as much as I have been, honestly. I'll be the first to say it. But I have been keeping up, maintaining my weight off, and this is how. This is why. This is how. This is why. I mean, now I don't wear my waist trainer as much as I did because my waist is not that bad. I just need to like do some different stuff. It's a little jiggly. It's not tight. My waist isn't tight. Like, I don't have abs. No. My waist isn't tight. It's just smaller. That's what girls don't like to tell you. They think, oh, you gonna get a flat stomach and da 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 da. No. I'm not saying you can't achieve a flat stomach, but you're not gonna get abs from wearing a waist trainer. A waist trainer, really, you have to think, if a waist trainer is on your waist and you have the band, it's really targeting your sides because you're pulling your sides closer together. You're banding a waist trainer. You're training your waist to squeeze in. That's why the bands are in the middle. I mean, where else would they put the band? But that's why it's a waist trainer. It trains your waist to be a type of shape. That's why they say when you put on your waist trainer, squeeze it all the way. But I'm gonna show you guys my body. This is my waist. So this is me not sucking in. You're probably like, oh, her stomach, you see, it's not tight, but I mean, it's smaller than what it was. Probably thinking, oh, that ain't nothing. Baby girl, that's something to me. And I applaud myself because it's for me, not for you. So y'all, I'm proud of myself because remember these 4 tips. Waist trainer, apple cider vinegar, meal prep, gym. Don't think you're gonna put on a waist trainer and get snatched. No, it doesn't work like that. You gotta put in the work, okay? Okay. I love you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and comment below what videos you wanna see more of. I'm all up for ideas. Just let me know.